Sometimes you might want to have an option to collect your subscribers' information automatically via text message. So you can send them a text message asking for their information, such as what is your first name, what is your email address, and they can reply back with their data, and their data can be automatically captured and updated to their profile within your mobile text alerts dashboard. I'm going to walk you through how you can do this so you can have just better automation for your data collection processes. You can do this through the Mobile Text Alerts Workflow Builder. So your first step is to just create your workflow. You'll go to the Workflows tab, click Add Workflow, select Recurring Workflow, and then depending on your preference, you could choose for this workflow to be activated when a subscriber opts in. So either anytime they opt in, or if they opt in via a particular method. Maybe you only want this to be triggered when people opt in by using an online sign-up form, or maybe you want it to trigger anytime someone opts in. You could use this option, or if you have a particular group in your account that you want to be triggered when they get added to this group, then this workflow can be triggered in that case. So for this tutorial, we'll choose this when a subscriber opts in option, and maybe when they opt in via a keyword, we can have this trigger. Okay, so now that your workflow is created, the next step is to add send message actions into the workflow. So you'll take the send message action, drag it to where the plus sign is on the workflow canvas, and then you'll see the message box appear. You can click on the box. You can type in the message that you want. So depending on what data points you are wanting to collect, you could ask, what is your first name? Confirm. So now this message will send automatically when a subscriber opts in via the keyword trigger that we selected. Okay, so you can do this for any message that you want to send. So we'll add another message. We'll click to edit the question. What's your email address? Confirm. Okay, so now we have the two data points we're wanting to collect for this example workflow. The next step is to add wait actions in between the message and between the messages. So you drag the wait option, put it in between the message, and click on that. Confirm that you want it to wait until a subscriber sends a message. So what that will do is, and once you confirm that, it will keep the subscriber at this point in the workflow until they send a message in response to your initial message here. So once they opt in, they'll automatically get sent this first message. Then they'll move here and they'll stay here until they respond to that first message. Then once they respond, they'll move on to the next part of the workflow. So you can, depending on how many different data points you have here, add as many wait options. And then wait until a subscriber sends a message, confirm. All right, so now you have your messages and you have your waits. And the third thing that you need to add are your set attribute actions. So drag set attribute right after your wait actions. And this will be the data point that you want to be updated when the subscriber responds. So if you're asking for first name, you can select first name as the attribute, and you'll see that it says the value is the body of the last received message. So whatever message you receive from the subscriber when they reply in response to your message, that will automatically be parsed in as their first name in their subscriber profile. So you confirm that. Then you add any other set attribute actions that you need. So the second data point we're looking to collect here is email address. So we will set this attribute as email. And again, whatever they reply to your what is your email address question will automatically be parsed in as their email address data point on their subscriber profile in your mobile text alerts account. So just click confirm. All right, so now we have a workflow that will automatically ask for the subscriber's first name when they opt in. It will wait until it gets a response. And once it gets a response, it will set the first name attribute in the subscriber profile to be whatever the content is that they responded to your question of what is your first name. Then it will send them another message, what is your email address? Again, it will wait until it receives a response. And then it will set the email attribute on the subscriber profile to be whatever is the content of the response that it received. So your workflow is ready to go now. You just need to save all the changes you made and then click option and start your workflow. And then this will get triggered anytime somebody opts in. All right, well, that's how you do that with the workflow builder. And feel free to reach out to support with any questions.